Okay guys, so that was the Elizabeth line. Yo guys, where are we? We are just in Liverpool Street Station, which is this here. Actually on the way to Canary Wharf, but I thought, because I've just discovered something, so kind of on the way from my studio, that the Elizabeth line, which is like a new line, a new kind of underground line or travel line, a train, tram, tube line, is open. And I put into the magic of Google, and it said that actually I am going on it today. So I thought, as I just stopped in Liverpool Street Station now, might as well film a little bit here and then film like kind of I've never been on it before, so I guess film the experience of it. Whether it's any different from anything else, I don't know. I think it's like quite deep under, so it kind of runs underneath everything else, so it's definitely going to be further down, but the experience of it, I don't know, we'll see. And then we're going to Canary Wharf to exchange or drop off or something a pair of running shoes that I bought from Essex. I had a little problem with some of them. Obviously, I do a lot of running, and yeah, part of the sole has kind of come off a little bit. I don't have a receipt. Actually, I'll show you it. I'll show you it when I get to Canary Wharf. Let's focus on the Elizabeth line for now, and then once I get to Canary Wharf, we'll see about the rest. Cool, see you there. Okay guys, so that was the Elizabeth line. What do you think? Yeah? It's another rail line, I guess. It's pretty cool. It's nice that it's like a full, like it's not in carriages, or it is carriages, but they're all connected and you can kind of walk all the way through. I prefer trains like that. It just doesn't feel quite as claustrophobic as like the very contained carriage. Yeah, so that was the Elizabeth line. They're only opened like 2 days ago. Today is the 26th. Today is the 26th. It opened on the 24th. Strange that it opened on a Tuesday. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe it's like, the opening of it is kind of linked to the Queen's Jubilee, which is coming up pretty soon, in a few days, or it kind of is now. Like the period of the Jubilee. And speaking of, it actually, the stations and the carriages remind me a lot of actually the Jubilee line. So, there you go. This is the Elizabeth line. For me, very similar to the Jubilee line. But it gets you across London pretty quick. Like, some of the stops are really convenient. Oh, let me do that. Yeah, some of the stops are very convenient, and yeah, got me to Canary Wharf in 2 stops, I think, from Liverpool Street, which is pretty good. So now I'm going to go try and give my shoes back.